Hey all, in this session we are going to see how we can able to perform the context click or right mouse button operation by using robot framework. A robot framework directly is not going to support right mouse button or contact click operations. For that, we can write our Python code and integrate with the robot framework so that we can use the code. We can perform the right mouse button operation. The entire code is available in this GitHub location. So let's see how we can able to perform the right mouse operation button operations. So in this case, I am using this demo site demo.guru99.com. Then afterward, I am going to this right click me button. Then I'm going to perform the right mouse button, and afterward I am going to select any one of these menus, any of these buttons. Okay, so these are all browser elements or web driver web elements. But when you perform the right mouse button other than that, like this one here, this is not a browser related element, these are windows related elements, so you can't able to perform this operation in this element. So to perform any right mouse operation, it should be in a web element only. Okay, so let's write one program. So I am going to create one program, new robot test suite. This is context click demo dot robot. Okay, now I'm going to import the settings. Done. Library, Selenium library. Done. Now right mouse button demo. Okay, now open browser. Now I'm going to copy this website. I'm going to open this in a Chrome. Then afterward, maximize the browser window. Then afterward, I need to perform the right click element on this button. So right mouse button. So inspect. Yes, this is the location. So this is the, I will take the address of this one, that is this span text is equal to, yes, I got this one. Copy element we have performed. Then afterward I'm going to sleep for 10 seconds. Then after close browser. Okay, now sleep 10 seconds. Okay, now the first question is, robot framework is not going to support directly right click operation on any element. For that, we need to write one code. One code means by using Python we can able to write one code and integrate with this one. So for that I will going to create one Python file and I am going to integrate it. So for that I will go to programs. I am going to write one Python file. Others Python file. Yes. Now I will write a name as a extended library. Extended Selenium code. Okay. Now let's write some code so we can able to perform the right mouse button operation on by using robot framework. Okay, for that I need some of the libraries. So from robot dot libraries dot built-in import built-in. From Selenium I need WebDriver. Then afterward from I need action chains for performing the mouse related operations. For that, from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot uh, action, action chains import action chains. Then afterward I need to perform some keyboard related actions. For that I need selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot keys. From that I need keys. This is done. Now I need to create one method def. Then afterward I need to write a method for this one. Right click element, and we are passing the XPath as an element. So I need this one. Here I need to write like this element. Okay, then I need a parameter, that is XPath. Okay, XPath. Okay, now I need a WebDriver element, WebDriver, to perform any operations. For that we can able to get the WebDriver element by using built-in dot get library instance. The instance is Selenium library. I don't want the second parameter, and afterward I need a driver parameter. I need a driver instance. So entered. Then afterward I need actions. Action chains. Action chains is equal to action chains is equal to action chains. For that I need WebDriver as a parameter. Then afterward I need to perform the rightmost button operation. For that action chains dot context click, that is a WebDriver dot find element by XPath, convert the input parameter to string XPath. Then afterward dot perform. Here we are passing the parameter as a string, and we are converted again, and we are performing the rightmost button operation. Then action chains. Now I need to perform the keyboard related actions, that is send keys. Keyboard related means, see, once we open right click on operation, we need to select any one of these buttons. So by clicking the arrow button down, we can able to select, and afterward we can enter the keyboard button. Okay, so for that I'm using keys dot arrow down followed by send keys dot enter button. Then after that perform. This is done. So once we have written a program, we need to import the statement, import this library. So library extended selenium code dot py. Yes, here see, after importing this one, the error message is gone. So the main important thing is, whenever you write a state keyboard like that, copy this one, and afterward at the space, whenever there is space, add underscore, so that it will directly call that one. So we have done that one. Now let's see whether we can able to perform the rightmost button operation or not. So rightmost button, click that one. The program has started execution. Open in the browser, open the website and maximize, and after the rightmost button, here we can see it's performed the edit operation, edit and enter. So you can see. Now let's see how we can able to perform the copy or paste. So for that I need to add 2 or 3 arrow buttons down. Okay, now here I will copy the same code. Okay, 1 2. Okay, so now it has to perform 3 time arrow button down followed by enter key. So for that 1 2 3, I think this time we need to select copy. So when you copy, then click on copy, the pop-up window should appear. Okay, now come save and run one more time. Now the execution is started. On browser, website is open, maximize the window, right mouse button. Oh, it's performed only 2 times. Right mouse button, edit and cut. Let's see what is an issue. Yeah, here we can see 1, 2, 3 ads. We are passing 3 times. Let's run one more time and see what is an issue. I'm running. Execution started. Opening browser. Website is open. Maximize. Followed by right mouse button. Copy. Yes, we can here see 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and we can see clicked copy. So we are done. So now program is successfully executing that one. So if you want to perform any right mouse button operation on by using robot framework, then we need to write an extra code. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar kind of videos.